Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie Titi. For those who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is by Outre. So go ahead, watch me install the wig and then come back and I'll give you my 2, 3, 4 cents of whether you should begin this wig up. Let's go.
Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lines, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I've been getting better singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I can feel it taking over. We're moving closer back to me. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. No more tears wash me away. I'm remembering who I was, 'cause I'm back in techno. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I can feel it taking over. We're moving closer back to me. I'm back in technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm back in techno, I'm back in color, color. I'm back in techno, I'm back in color. I'm back in techno, I'm back in color, color. Back to me. Music sounds better dancing even when I'm alone. I lost the beat, had to find it all on my own. If you're not gonna let me live, gotta let it go. Tired of life in the lines, wanna lose control, lose control. All my time won't be wasted on feeling like I'm faded. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I'm making technicolor, technicolor, technicolor. I've been getting better singing on cloudy days. Guess to find the rainbow, gotta go through the rain. If it's not gonna bring me up, gotta go up, up and away. Tired of life in gray, wanna fill up the space, fill up the space. All my time won't be wasted on feeling
Now you watch me install the wig. Let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the wig. The wig that I have on today is Outre in the perfect hairline in the style Everette. Yes, I said Everette. It looks strange because it is strange. That's not what I got. So, I have Everette in the color DR2 Buttered Pecan. Everette has 3 combs, one on this side, one on this side, one on the back, as well as adjustable straps, as well as a wide elastic band for a more secure fit. Everette has premium synthetic fibers. She has one of the most natural looking hairlines. She's pre-plucked. The style is versatile. The part is versatile because it comes with a 13x6 hand-tied frontal. She has baby hairs. On the website it says 28 inches. On the stock card it says 26 inches. Neither which we working with right here. The hair pattern is wavy. The hair texture is silky. The hair length is long. You got that right. She long. She is free part. She does have free part area because she's 13x6. The lace color is nude. And yeah, so from the install you see that I was able to do 3 different parts. So that's what it means by free part area. You can put it left, right, middle, whichever way you want to. But Everette is heat safe up to 400 degrees, in case I didn't say that. But this is what she looked like. Girl, a whole lot of hair. What I don't like in those long units is like when they get to about here, it's just long. Like it has no shape. I don't like that. Like why do y'all take all the time to put the layers and the curls up here, and right here is just hair? Like I don't like that. So you know what Auntie Titi did? She went in with the happy scissors hand and cut until I got hair, and I love her. So I don't know the length because I cut it, but the website says 28 inches. The stock card says 26. Yes ma'am. So, Everette is bigot friendly. A whole lot of bigot friendly. She is bigot and friendly because I didn't lay her down. I just put her on my head and did some baby hairs, and that was about it. I didn't even curl her. She already came with these curls. She does have a bit of flyaways and shedding, but I think that's because I cut too much of the lace off. Like, you know what I mean? But other than that, whoo, honey. You can't tell Auntie Titi nothing in this unit. Because, honey, she knows she look good. She just know she look good. Okay? She just knows she look good. So, what would I rate Everette? In this style, she getting a 20 out of 10. So, yeah. So, if you got any of the video, you're the real MVP. Don't forget to like the video, share the video, and I'll see you in the next week. Bye, guys.